Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make picks for the Masters Santiago playoffs. So the one before was for the Swiss stage, but we are going to go to Esports here and we're going to select Pickems. So this is if you want to view the results for the Swiss stage. I got one wrong. I got Paper X correct, obviously, number one team. Then in playoffs here closes in, I guess, 9 hours. So better make your picks because Paper X is playing tonight, I think, versus Furia. And basically, you're just going to select which one you think is going to win. I'll pick Gentlemates for this, and then I don't know all games, so I'll just do G2. I think it's Chinese team. Fury and Paper X. I am still going to choose Paper X. And then I'll pick NRG. Why not? And I'll think more on the rest, but that's how you can make pick'ems, and then it's just going to continue from there. So Gentle Mates versus G2, which one like you think is going to win, and then Paper X versus NRG again. Oh my god, maybe I should just pick Furia first. I don't know. But anyways, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.